Jola at Hardy Bernese, and we are here in southwest Missouri on 93 acres.
I began my love for dogs at the age of 5 when my parents rescued a puppy from the local farm store. Over the years, many dogs and other animals were added to the family farm. When I turned 16, I decided it was time to get my own. After 6 months of research, I decided that the Bernese Mountain Dog was the breed for me. I wanted a laid-back, easygoing companion that was strong and willing to work. My mother was a professional German Shepherd breeder, and I learned lots about breeding, caring for puppies, and what excellent customer service looks like. Our puppies at Hardy Bernese are fed real food from our farm. We grow organic chicken and pasture-raised lamb and beef. We joke that our puppies eat better than most people. They love supper time. Both parents have been genetically tested. The puppies themselves have been vet checked. We offer a 1-year health guarantee. The puppies get lots of exercise and love to play with my 7 siblings. They are socialized and desensitized. They've had more than a dozen car rides, lots of interaction with other people, dogs, and farm animals.